Must be a bittersweet moment for you.
Yep.
Silver medal here in Birmingham, but you lost the gold in the last round. What are your emotions right now?
I knew coming in that there were, competitors here that could potentially, take the gold medal position. So for me, I came into this competition to essentially just focus on myself, work on some things that I've been, struggling with in the past couple of seasons. So that's essentially what I did today, and I think I was successful in doing that. I did want, to have a better distance. However, I still have more competitions for the season, so I'm kind of looking forward to, cleaning up some stuff and kind of riding this feeling of, breakthrough mentally. So I think, that's what I'm looking forward to, because, I've struggled a lot mentally in the past, in a couple of seasons. I don't talk about that stuff much. I'm kind of like the kind of person who, keeps stuff to myself, but I think it's important to talk about it now, because I feel like a lot of athletes look up to me, and, they always see the strong side, and they don't essentially see the struggles behind the scenes. So, it is very important, because, I was struggling a lot in terms of, trusting myself and trusting my technique and allowing it to work. And I think today I kind of had a little bit of a breakthrough, and I just kind of want to continue on that momentum throughout the season.
Yeah, talk us through that process though, because obviously it didn't just happen today. It's something you must have been working on for a while. What is your process, and what would be your encouragement to other athletes who might, be sharing your struggle?
I think for me, what I've done, like, I have a good support system. My husband, who's also my coach, he's been there for me, and he's the one who's been coaching me, and I've been ready physically. In the past 2 seasons, except last year, I had a few injuries, but in terms of fitness, I've always been physically fit, but it's just, those mental barriers, those things aren't things that, anyone can essentially help you with. They can try, but I think it is not something that can easily be, dealt with, because as a person, you kind of have to find ways to essentially help yourself to get over those mental struggles. But I think for me, I just wasn't trusting myself. I wasn't trusting my technique. I wasn't trusting my training. And that has come, that has kind of haunted me, in the past 2 seasons, which kind of made me, essentially tight up and not be relaxed as how I'm used to being relaxed, and to, just allow the far throws to come. So for me today, I was determined to allow myself to get past that, and I think I've cracked it a little bit, and so I'm looking forward to the rest of the season to kind of see, how much I've actually grown, since today.
We're really happy that you're able to overcome, and that you are overcoming. Certainly this result may not be the color you wanted, but it must be seen as a breakthrough.
Oh, it is a big accomplishment. No one ever have any medals put down for them, Any one of those ladies out there could have essentially stepped up today and been in the top 3. But I think for me it's a big accomplishment, because, like I said, there's no medal that is put down for anyone out there. You have to go out there and compete for it, and I did. So I'm super happy with that. It's always good to finish on the podium, because not a lot of people can say they have, and I'm happy with that.
Nice.